welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyal. I'm so sorry if the sound might not be that clear as my mic suddenly stopped working, but I'm still gonna make this video for you guys. I'm back here with another Urbanic haul video. This is the first time that I'm disappointed in the quality of Urbanic clothes, as you have seen that in my previous Urbanic haul videos. Like most of the products I've always liked. There were products that I didn't like, but the majority was always like of how much I liked. But this time it's vice versa. So I'm gonna show you guys one by one each and every product. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you can go check my Instagram account. I am active there also. I will also put up the link of my Instagram. Let's start with good things first. Okay, so the product that I love, and you can check on my Urbanic video also that I had given review about this top, and I had told you that time that I would buy other colors too, as I love that color so much. That was for my sister. So this time it is for myself, and this is the top that I'm wearing currently. Totally love this top. The material is same as it was of that top. Everything is perfect, and personally you will be shocked after knowing that I only have like 2 or 3 white tops. So I really wanted something in white. So finally I got one. Okay, so for the price, I think for 800 it's not bad, as the quality is very soft, very comfortable, and you can wear it at your home also and as your party wear also, as it looks so smart on you when you wear it. And especially white, you can style white with anything, literally anything. So definitely a thumbs up. Is the only product that I love from entire haul, and I would definitely recommend you this top for sure, as I totally love the material of this top. The next one is this cute alien top, and I won't say it's not cute, but the material is quite thin, like it's cotton, but a very thin cotton. Okay, and I expected it to be like, that mini crop top that sticks with your body in the bottom, but in the bottom it gets rolled up, which I didn't personally like it, as I expected it to be something else. I expected it to be like a bit stick from below portion, but it wasn't that how I expected it to be, so I'm disappointed. Overall, the top appearance is very cute, so I would give it a 7 on 10 for just for the appearance. Otherwise, material is not that great, and I haven't washed it yet, like I haven't worn it yet, so I don't know how it will turn out after wash, as the sticker on this top of the top, I don't think so it would last long, but let's see. I would definitely give you updates about it. Okay, so the next one is this hoodie, green hoodie. Now I also didn't have anything in green color, so I wanted to have something, and while scrolling Urbanic, I had gone through this sweatshirt so many times that I thought I should buy it now. So I bought it, and it didn't turn out to be the way I wanted it to be, material wise. Appearance wise, it's same as you can see in the photo, but the material, like the previous hoodies that I have of Urbanic, and I didn't really thought that they would become good. Those hoodies came out to be very good, and the one I expected to be a very nice sweatshirt came out to be a very different one, and the quality is very thin, like the previous top that I showed you. It's similar to that top. It's that type of material, like very thin cotton material. So for Mumbai weather, I think it would work, but if you wanna go at hill stations and places like that, I don't think it will keep you warm, as it's not that warm from inside. It's comfortable, I would definitely say, but material wise, like it's not a thick material, so don't expect it to be very thick. Material is not thick, so don't expect it like to wear it like on the places like Shimla and all. You will not be able to endure the cold with this sweatshirt. So for that, I'm gonna give it 7.5. Last is the jewelry piece, and this is how the jewelry look like. Okay, so I have seen a lot of Pinterest photos where there are earrings of ring shape, but they are like of this much size, okay? And in the picture, the size was same as it is shown in the app. Like in the photo, I could imagine it to be the same, but when I got it, these were like quite big, and I have similar stuff with me already, so I didn't expected it to be like this much big. But I kept it as I don't have any choice. They don't return anything in jewelry. So if you have also kept it in your wish list card or anything, you also thought it to be that way, don't buy it. It's not that. It will come quite big than you expect in the picture. Yes, that was it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe right now. Subscribe and press the bell icon, and I see you in the next video. Bye.